Hello, my name is METİN. This is 316th part of explanation of my theory. According to my theory and my formulas, invalid metaphysical concepts of electric field and magnetic field in accepted physics. What I want to emphasize today is that the random and chaotic concepts of electric field and magnetic field are empty and invalid. 1. Electric field and magnetic field theories also lack the concept of velocity regarding electric field and magnetic field. The source of electric field and magnetic field is nothing but electron motion form. In the electric field, magnetic field, and electromagnetic radiation equations, there are no concepts of motion and speed, velocity, in the phenomena subject to electric force. They mention the static forces of electric field and magnetic field. First of all, motion and speed, velocity are the basis of energy, force, and mass facts, and without motion and velocity, energy, force, and mass cannot exist. So, what has motion here so that it has force, energy, and mass? My answer is the intrinsic, immanent, perpetual, cyclical, spherical ring-shaped, closed ring-shaped, electron motion form of meta sensation perception matter, as I told you before. In fact, these movements, motion form, in fact, these movements are in front of your eyes as magnetic field lines. But you cannot perceive that tangential velocity on a point. I have computed and I have explained you before. Yes, again, in fact, these movements are in front of your eyes as magnetic field lines, but you cannot perceive the tangential velocity of a point on a line which is at 6.20 times greater than the speed of light, 1,884,000 kilometers per second. Cycling. If it is free, first cycle, this is an electron, and second cycle, third cycle, okay. For each cycle, tangential velocity n is n multiplied by 2 pi c, okay. 1 Vici, 2 Vici, 3 Vici, so on and so forth. Vici tangential speed. Okay. Yes. Electric field, magnetic field, electromagnetic waves, etc. theories are based on solid-state objects, observations like conductive metals. Can the behavior of electrons in metals be generalized? If fields are present, is it correct to divide them into two, electric and magnetic? Do the waves emitted by free electrons and the waves emitted by antennas have the same characteristics? So, why can't artificial radio waves create continuous spectrum, but free electron waves can, as I explained before? Why? A free electron motion form, this is continuous spectrum from sunshine, for instance, not characteristic, but from antenna you cannot see these continuous spectrum. Two, contrary to accepted physics theories, electric fields are closed loops. Not this. This is wrong. Yes. And they don't discern that accepted physics theorists don't discern that each line represents a closed loop which has tangential speed is n multiplied by 6.28 times greater than the speed of light. Here, n is the wave number. Accepted physics theory is only concerned with force vector of electric and magnetic fields, but this is wrong. Electric and magnetic field are nothing but the wall of electron motion forms motion surfaces. Okay. For instance, a plate put on here. Okay. Yes. As a wall, because of this is the sphere of motion form, of electron motion form. Yes. Finally, a magnet, snapshot. A magnet represents a single electron motion form. Okay? And you don't perceive, but each point has 1,884,000 km per second cycling, tangential velocity for the first cycle. Now, plus and minus charges, two charges, represent what? Represent two electron motion forms are connecting, like this. This is, according to me, an entanglement. My explanation for entanglement is that picture. Okay, this is one electron, first electron, this is second electron. Okay, upside down, one of these, upside down, one of that. Come in, go out, come in, go on. Joint motion and cycling. Not this. This is closed. This is real picture of charges. And electric charge is ghost concept. If you remember, I have two speed velocity component electron motion form, remember? Okay. For instance, C component, and this is a point. For a point, cycling, cycling, cycling. This is tangential velocity component. This is speed of light component. Energy, force, mass, Vg, and energy, force, mass, etc. Different. And the rate of these components energies, speeds, etc. This rate is 0.1592. This is constant that I put forth instead of what? Elementary charge. Instead of elementary charge. Coulomb is wrong concept, as I told you before. Besides, moreover, yes, I will go on next. Have a good evening. See you later.